Hello, I'm Annabelle Estabilio, and I'm presenting High School Dropouts in America for Data 620-1941 class of Spring 2019 for Professor Majed Algander at UMUC. I am a parent, and I've just recently attended a welcome night for my daughter's high school. I got interested in the trends of high school dropouts in America, specifically in places where I am concerned about. This analysis may help parents, schools, and even the US government to focus on the whys such trend is happening. The forecast may assist anybody who will do further analysis on education, success rate of high school completion, or how to improve it. Local education agency Universe Survey dropout and completion data is used in this analysis. These data are from the U.S. Department of Education in a span of 10 school years that shows data for grades 7 to 12, number of dropouts. The datasets also contains reports on the numbers of high school diploma recipients and other high school completers. The graph shows the trends and forecast. The report shows the trends in high school dropout in the United States in 10 school years' time. The school year in which students graduated from high school, the bottom 1991 to 1992 school year, is represented by period 1 in the data file. It is important to use this field when comparing data from different files. Currently, this analysis is using source data from period 1 to 10, school year 1991 to 2002. To create forecast through 15 on the National Center of Education statistics data from all states in America based from the survey. Figure 1 shows trend on grades 9 to 12 in a period of 10 school years using linear trend line. Linear trend line is used because the graph shows an increase and decrease in 5 to 6 periods, then increase again. This shows forecast in the next 5 periods, 5 school years, and it shows that it dropped and then leveled off. The next graph shows each grade level 9, 10, 11, and 12, and the trends for 10 school year. Figure 2 shows trending on dropouts per grade for the 10 school year period. If you notice that the data has gaps in the name and the naming of states are not consistent. I use the same graph and using grouping when we come up to this figure to give more solid data. Because some states from the survey has null values, this analysis excludes these places. The graph shows more states trend, just like Texas is declining and New York is rose dramatically. Figure 3 shows that we can use data availability per state. The data set has null value in some of the states, so those were disregarded. Survey not complete because of survey not complete or inaccurate. This figure states per grade level or shows stack bar for states per grade level. The stack bar graph shows New York State shows the highest number of dropouts in any grade level. Figure 4 has been filtered to show my places of interest if you want to see the place I want to move or near where I am now. So I chose Texas, Virginia, Louisiana, New York, Georgia, and District of Columbia. Some states have very little, but you can see the trend over 10 years. Finally, figure 5 shows 5 states. No forecast is shown as the time series is too short to forecast for these selections. However, you can see the trend over the past years. Additional analysis may be done by including population and other variables that may affect the cause of this trend per state and district. New York is continuously increasing in the number of high school dropouts, as this trend shows. US government or New York may check all on this trend or data to see what's happening, or parent can consider moving this location and use information as part of their decision. There can be other factors such as status of state district. Georgia remained constant as long as the other states. Thank you for watching this video.